How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application. Click on the three-dot icon on your top right. As you do so, click onto the extensions option and click the one that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Then go ahead and at the top search bar type in YouTube Watch Later Assist. Here you will see this extension. Here tap on Add to Chrome and click the one that says Add Extensions. Once you do so, open up your YouTube and on your left hand side you will see Watch Later option. Click onto it. As you do so, you will see all the videos that you have added in your Watch Later list, and by the extension you will see Remove All Videos option. Click onto it. Just like so, this is how you can remove all the videos that you have added in your YouTube watch list at once. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.